Are you guys wondering if I got a puppy? Did I get a puppy? No, I didn't get a puppy. This is my mom's dog. I'm just babysitting him while she's at an appointment in the area. So hi guys, welcome back. I hope you guys are having a fabulous day and you're starting to enjoy this warmer weather a little bit. You know, I feel like we're just in full summer mode now, or at least I am. Oh my God, are you so sleepy? You're just so cute right now. He's usually so hyper and biting and scratching. So now that we are in summer mode, I thought I would go ahead and do a favorites video featuring some of my beauty and fashion favorites for the summertime, because we haven't done a favorites video in a long time. So let's go ahead and get started. I think I'm gonna start off with beauty favorites. Do you think that's a good idea? Can't see him, but Max is our little audience while I film this. Okay, so as I said, I want to start off with beauty favorites. So as I said, summertime is here. We're outside a lot. I'm going to share some of my favorite ways I get SPF in a really cute way. So first and foremost, I have talked about this product for years, the It Cosmetics CC Cream. This stuff is phenomenal. So it is full beautiful coverage, but if you want to apply it with your hands, it will look a little bit more natural, a little bit more of like a medium coverage. You can just blend it out with your fingers, and with like warm skin on skin, it just melts really beautifully into the skin. But if you want it to be more full coverage, I actually wore this on my wedding day, and the best part is it does have SPF 50 plus UVA and UVB anti-aging serum. Oh, you go to sleep by my feet? He loves to fall asleep like by your feet. It's so cute. So this is a great way to get your SPF, and if you want like a more full coverage. So I'm going to talk now. I'll give you guys a little bit of an update on my Kenzie IPL laser handset for at-home laser hair removal. I have been using this now for, oh my God, going on a year. Thank you so much to Kenzie for sponsoring this portion of the video. This little guy has done wonders for me, and I'm so happy they wanted to partner with me to give you guys another update, because y'all, I be using this every single week. I use this every week now to do my legs. So in the beginning, when I first got this, I got it for my upper lip. So after I did Accutane, I genuinely feel like my hormones changed a lot. I started getting, I never had this issue, I always just had peach fuzz, but I started getting darker hairs above my lip, and it drove me crazy. Like I'd always have to stay on top of it, and especially with makeup, it just stands out more. So this was great for that. I honestly hardly ever get any dark hairs above my lip now. It's helped a lot with consistency. So now I am working on my legs. So I thought I'd show you guys how I've been using it. This is a staple for summer. Underarms, I've been doing my underarms as well, but like most recently my legs. It is just like the easiest thing to use, and you can just do it like while you're watching a YouTube video, hanging out. I literally just keep it in my little side drawer at my desk, and if I'm like waiting for a YouTube video to upload or I'm watching something, I will just plug this in and do my laser hair removal. You do want to do it on freshly shaved skin, and this does not work for like peach fuzz. This is meant for darker hairs, but especially for summer, like more skin is out. Also, side note, whatever your body looks like, let that skin out, girl. I spent way too many years of my life afraid to wear shorts because of my thunder thighs, so let it rock. Okay. Working on underarms, bikini area, your legs, it's so much more affordable than going to get it done somewhere. You can do it in the comfort of your own home. It's not like awkward or anything. So I'm going to show you guys how I do this. Since I just started my legs a little while ago, I'm going to show you guys how I do it on my underarm and show you guys a little before and after over the last about 3 months. So it's super easy. You got a nice long cord here. You just plug it in on the back here. Take this button, turn it on. You can also push the same button to increase the intensity. See how it's all lit up now? I like to just go for it. When you start this off, you can start at a lower intensity if you're kind of nervous, but you kind of get used to like the higher level. It just kind of feels like a quick little zip, like a little zip. But if you turn it lower, you can't even feel it at all. And then I just hold it to the skin, and it's cool because it actually won't go off unless it feels it pressed against skin. And I just go over the shaven area, and it's that simple. It's kind of insane. And as I said, I have tested this for a really long time. I've been doing my upper lip forever. So I do that about once a week, and then to upkeep results, do it like once a month on areas that have reached that desired level that you're enjoying. This is definitely a staple for summer. I highly recommend checking out. I'll put a link down below, but you guys can go to kenzi.com, that's KENZZI.com, and use my promo code FEARLESS, and that'll get you $50 off your order. You can spend less time shaving this summer and more time having fun. I'm gonna leave this out and do the rest of my legs later while I watch a show. Now, on those days where you're just kind of chilling without makeup, I know we do that a lot in the summer, I am obsessed with the Supergoop Glow Screen. This is SPF 40 and it just looks so beautiful on the skin. I'm gonna take a little bit and it is so pretty. It leaves your skin with the most beautiful glow. Like, it's not shimmery or sparkly, it just makes you look luminous. So I put this on every morning that I take my walk, which is most mornings, and it looks so pretty and you're getting that sun protection. And also from Supergoop, this Defense Refresh Resetting Mist. It has SPF 40 as well, but this is wonderful because if you put on your makeup and you're at the end and you're like, oh my God, like I didn't put on sunscreen, I'm gonna be outside, you can set your face with this and get some SPF protection. Like, it's not like the coolest ever. Or if you're just outside throughout the day and you wanna get more sunscreen without messing up your makeup and refresh your makeup at the same time, it leaves a really nice finish on the skin. It looks very natural. You can just spritz this on throughout the day to reset your makeup and get some sun protection. So holy grail, like Supergoop is really good. I just kind of discovered them. Now, primer. So sweaty, oily like me, hi, all summer, pretty much all seasons I'm always oily and sweating. So this is my favorite primer for oil control, especially throughout summer. The Dr. Brandt Pores Refiner Primer minimizes your pores, absorbs oil, and it mattifies any shine. And it just like, oh, you look so smooth, fills everything in, and I feel genuinely so much less oily when I am wearing this primer, even on its own. I can't even count how many bottles of that I've gone through in my lifetime with makeup. Also in the summertime, I tend to break out a lot more just because, you know, you're sweating, your pores are getting more clogged, you can get a little dirty up in there. So I have some acne fighting favorites as well that I've been obsessed with. I just discovered this about a month ago, the Glowbiotics Acne Clarifying Refining Treatment. And it's really, really good. I actually saw this on Alex Garza's channel. I picked this up and I've noticed a big difference in my skin using it morning and night after I wash my face. I also saw this recommended, I don't know if it was on TikTok somewhere, but people were talking about this blue tansy mask from Herbivore, and I have some other products from Herbivore and I really like them. This is a resurfacing clarity mask, but everyone said it was really good for acne. I think I saw it on this guy's skincare TikTok page, and it's really, really good. I feel like when I'm starting to break out or I feel something coming on, I'll do this mask and the next morning it's a lot less intense. I don't think anything is like a miraculous product where it can just poof, gone overnight, but it gives you pretty darn close and a noticeable difference. This is already like almost gone. I use this quite a bit, and this is like the best, like honestly, acne cleanser I have ever tried. I have tried so many. You guys already know I struggle with acne. This is almost gone. I need another one. The Murad Anti-Aging Acne Time Release Cleanser. So this is great if you're also like me, an adult with acne and you want to anti-age and also have acne fighting properties in your cleanser. But it fights breakouts for up to 8 hours. And this is like the first cleanser that I've actually noticed a difference in my skin with. I feel like I never have had true genuine results just from using a acne fighting cleanser. This one's really, really great. And I've been using a lot of this lately as well. The Mario Badescu drying lotion for overnight pimples. It's getting pretty low because you're not supposed to shake it, just so you know, like it's like water and or like some sort of liquid, and then this kind of clayish material at the bottom. You dip a Q-tip in, dab it on a pimple, sleep overnight. And I do feel like when you have like, this is kind of gross, when you have those really like intense pimples that like are poppable and they're a little bit like wet, this literally dries them right up, shrivels them down. This stuff is gorgeous. I wore this on my wedding day as well, on my shoulders and my chest. This is the Fenty Beauty Who Needs Clothes Body Lava. This stuff is so beautiful. Like, it just gives you the prettiest glow on your skin. Like, oh my God. It looks so nice when the sun hits, like, and you're just outside. Like, it was such a wedding moment. Like, I was just thriving. So on those days where you don't want to wear makeup as well and you're kind of just going for like that glowy natural look. So this is technically a lip sleeping mask for nighttime, which I do wear it at night, but I actually have one that I wear in the daytime and then I keep one beside my bed. This is the Laneige lip sleeping mask. Like I said, this is the shade, or not the shade. This is the scent slash flavor Mint Choco. And I'm going to put some on and show you guys. It is stunning. So like, yeah, it's a lip sleeping mask and like they smell really good, like the flavor. But it genuinely looks like you're wearing a lip gloss, but it's not sticky or annoying. It's just genuinely so hydrating. It's just amazing. So if your lips get kind of dry, if you're out in the sun, chlorine, salt, this is great to sleep in so your lips will wake up and be so hydrated and flawless. But I love wearing this as like a faux lip gloss on those natural days. Like you put in a little brow gel, you throw on a little glow screen and maybe mascara and like you just look so summery. There's something about this. I've seen a lot of people talk about it too. Like I think we're all kind of just obsessed with this stuff. I think I also have a watermelon or strawberry flavor. It's in like a pink jar, but it's just so good. Like literally looks like a gloss. Looks even prettier on like plain lips. Now summer scent. This is my favorite summer scent. This is a fresh bottle and I have gotten so many compliments when I'm wearing this. So this is from Sol de Janeiro and it's the Brazilian Crush body spray. So their whole line just smells, it's all like the same scent, I believe, or most of it is. So it's like the Brazilian Bum Bum Cream. That's also a summer staple. It smells just like the sexy vanilla coconut vibe. I can't describe it very well besides that, but it's just like the epiphany of summer. And they have it in a candle. They have it in Bum Bum Cream. That's like kind of like a firming lotion. They have a lot of different products. Oh, I also have literally right here, I have the Brazilian Kiss lip balm. I have everything you can possibly have in this scent from Sol de Janeiro. It's just, there's something about it. It is sexy. And it's also just like really summery. There's just something about it I adore. So if you're looking for like a fun summer scent to change and switch up, then I highly recommend checking that out. So after swimming, I have been swimming quite a bit and taking advantage of pool time during this quarantine. So this is the only brush. It's kind of gross. Is it like gross to have like hair on your brush? I feel like that's just like a normal thing, but people get grossed out about it. The wet brush. I have purchased so many wet brushes. This is the only brush I can use on my insanely thick hair. Now it's like pretty long. Like when you get out of a pool after a shower, this is the only way I can detangle my hair without wanting to scream. Dog is asleep at my feet, but I'm also gonna insert on the screen another great product to like detangle and brush your hair out that I've used since like literally high school and cosmetology school, like way back. It's a 10 leave-in treatment. I use the one with keratin because I have bleached hair, but it's so good. Like it strengthens your hair, it detangles, it leaves shine, like it's just the best. So I use that every time I shower and brush it out with a wet brush, and it's like the only way I can get through. So I featured this in my Amazon favorites haul, and so many of you guys were so excited to buy one too. This little guy is everything. So literally it folds in half. Oh, I turned it on. And you can just throw it in your bag or your backpack. When I went to Disney last year, I brought it and I was just standing in line holding it against me. I leave this one per se because I have two in my bathroom in between serums. I'll dry my face with it, or if I have a face mask and I'm kind of impatient, like it's just great for skincare. But in the summer, I'm a thick girl. I be hot all the time. So I throw this in my bag. I just close it up like this, toss it in my bag, and I'm not ashamed to pull this out when I get hot. I'm not ashamed. I might be in a hot store that doesn't have the AC on. Who knows where I am? Maybe I'm at the DMV. Who knows? But you never know when you're gonna get hot and you're gonna wanna have a little cooling sesh. All right, so I'm gonna get into a couple of fashion favorites to wrap this up. I personally love American Eagle shorts. I have the hardest time finding really cute, trendy, plus size mom jean shorts. I can only find like normal shorts. I don't know if I'm like struggling or what here, but regardless, I love American Eagle's mom shorts. So I just picked up these. I like that they have the button all the way down and they're just like a classic mom jean short. They're high-waisted. They have like a little bit of bagginess. These are cute. They have a little cuff at the bottom, and they are sizes 00 through 24. And then I also picked up, these are the 90s boyfriend shorts. I got them in this white shade, and they're a little bit longer, but they are cut off. They have a lot of distressing. They're super cute. I feel like you can't go wrong with a pair of white shorts in the summer, but mom jean shorts are so trendy. They look so good with everything. Literally a plain white t-shirt tucked in, like with a cute belt, a cute hat. So cute summer hats are my favorite. Like, they just feel right. Like in the summertime, your cute little hat. Like, come on, you're adorable. I have so many hats. I'm a hat girl. I just love hats. So I won't show you all of them. I'll link below some of my favorite affordable hats. This one's from Target. I love this kind of like animal print here, but you can dress up such a plain outfit, literally like cute high-waisted mom jean shorts with like a white tee or tank, a cute hat, and some cute sandals. These are also from Target. They're super affordable, and they give me kind of like the Hermes sandal vibes, but a lot less. I love these white ones. So I actually have wide feet. So if you have wide feet as well, this stretches. This is great for all feet types, but having wide feet, it can be really hard to find like cute wide sandals just in a Target or something. I usually have to order them online, but shove your foot through. And because this is like a leathery material, it will stretch. And now these fit so well. But like, what a cute outfit like this would be with a white tee. Oh my god. And like some cute little dainty gold jewelry. Pretty much all my jewelry is from Miranda Fry. They gave me a discount code. I'll put it on the screen. Or another look you could do, I feel like everyone needs now a pair of white Air Forces. I love how popular these are. They look great with everything, and they are such a cute summer shoe. Throw it on with literally even a midi skirt and a cute tee or tank. Throw it on with shorts and a t-shirt. Throw it on with a really cute summery dress. Like, I love the look. In the city anyway, like I live near Boston, you know, you see so many people wearing in the summer because they walk everywhere, a cute summery dress, like either above the knee or like a midi length. You could probably even wear a maxi. I'm not sure how that would look, but with some cute white Air Forces or white tennis shoes, it just looks adorable. So also for all of my wide feet gals, these are my favorite shoes for like dressing up a little bit, but you want to be comfortable. So these are from Lane Bryant, and they're so good. I've shown them in a video a few times, but they are so comfortable. Like, you have this wedge here, and I love this kind of woven look. It's very on trend. We have this cute faux brown leather. It dresses up an outfit so nicely, or a dress if you have like a baby shower, a brunch, or a casual wedding, or if you're going on a date night and you want to wear this with jeans and a cute blouse. They look good with literally everything, and it does not feel like you're wearing a heel at all because it's a wedge and it has this little platform in the front, which makes a huge difference rather than it just being all the way down. It's so much more comfortable, and they are super wide. So all my wide foot ladies. I have a lot more fashion videos coming up if you want to subscribe and see more fashion, but those are just some of my absolute favorite summer things I've been loving in the fashion and beauty world over the last few weeks as we ease into summer. I love summer. I totally forgot to share these really cute straw bags. They're so in for summer. I got these a while back at TJ Maxx, super cheap. I will link some down below. You can't go wrong with a summery straw bag to throw your things in. I have a few more than these. Like, they're just so perfect for summer. I hope you guys are all staying safe and healthy. Again, thank you to Kenzie for sponsoring this video. Definitely check them out because seriously, like, why bother to shave forever? Like, it's so easy to just laser it off at home. So again, that's KENZZI.com, Kenzie.com, and promo code FEARLESS for $50 off. Yes. I love you guys so much, and I'll see you in my next video very soon. Bye.